Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are going to be working on page 4 of our ideas and reference journal. If you are just joining me today and you're not sure what I'm talking about, I will link the playlist below because I've started one so you can see what we are doing here and what we're working on. But basically we're just making a journal where we keep ideas to reference back to if we want an idea in a future project, or this itself can be its own little creative journal with all the ideas. So we did work on, as I said, like 3 pages already, which I think I'll come back and decorate with you at some point. But today we're going to do another page, and this one I'm going to do in a Christmas theme. So I will show you, obviously one that is more into this kind of neutral tone, which we were working on. But I thought I'll start on a page for Christmas. And the beauty of this project is that you can start any page at any time because you can add it whenever you want to in any way, because it will be a ring bound journal. So we will go through all that, but I thought I would show you one of the pages that I'm making for Christmas. Now this page I actually got some cardstock from one of my paper pads, and I cut it to size just like the ones that we've been working on. So if you go back on the other videos, we're making those pages a little different, but this one I thought, because it's already sturdy, I will cut it to size, which is the 8.5 by 11. That's the size that we were working on. Fold it in half, and what I'm doing with this one is I'm going to make it an actual pocket page, which we have not done yet with the other ones because of the way we're putting it together. So I hope you're enjoying this video series. I'm having a lot of fun with it. I've been really inspired to just keep making different pages, and now I have to check if you can see what I'm doing. So I've just added glue to the top and bottom, and this is now going to be our pocket page. And then we will start to add to the page. Now, I don't know if you saw my last video. I think it's my last video. It's where I'm doing the second giveaway for the Daphne's Diary Planner. I mentioned that I've updated the shop with some new pocket pages up for Christmas, and I'm so excited, you guys, because I really love the making the pages, and making the different pockets and envelopes, and just kind of mass making those. And that's basically what I think inspired the Christmas project for today, to make it a Christmas page and not the other page. But as I said, I will come back and show you the similar page that we're making today, but in a more vintage style as well. So we'll show you that in a bit. Hopefully I'll have time. I'm trying to keep my videos under 20 minutes if I can. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is take another 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, whatever you have. I am again using just like a holiday Christmas theme here. And what we're going to do is fold it in half the long way, okay? And then we're going to take either end. It works better if you're using paper that is like non-directional, so you can use it in any way. So we folded it in half, and then we're just going to take the top and fold it down a little bit. This can be as, as far down as you want, or it can be shorter. But this top part will become a pocket, and then this part also becomes a pocket. So I just wanted to let you know that. So again, we just fold it in half the long way, and then we fold it down a little bit. And now I'm just going to glue to make my pockets. Now, I don't know if you guys like to have, like the little notch punched out of things to know that it's a pocket. I am going to do it here because I think it'll be easier to to see that this is a pocket at the top. Okay, so I'm just going to just take a little bit off up here just so that I can see that it's a pocket in there. Okay. I hope you are all doing well. I can't believe that we are in November already. And I don't know where October has gone. I have no idea where September went for me. So, and I don't even want to say it. Do I want to say it? We are so close to Christmas now, you guys. I can't believe that 2025 is almost done. Okay, so you saw that I just added glue to the 3 sections here. And then we fold this back down. Okay, so now, remembering that we have our pocket page and our pocket opens on one side, we are going to make our holes for this one on the opposite side, of course, because we want this to open. So just remember where your opening is, that's where you're going to put your pockets. Now, I'm doing ring bound, the journals. However, if you wanted to just do tab binding, you could do that. So you don't have to punch your holes. That's entirely up to you. Okay, and then I'm also remembering that my pockets open here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach this, but only on 2 sides so that I can have an opening on the left side of the pocket. And I'll show you what I mean in a minute. Goodness. Okay. I hope you guys are going to enter the Daphne's Diary Planner. I was so happy, you know, with the last winner in October. She really loves the planner. She's used it herself before, and so I'm so happy that she was able to get one. Okay, so we've attached it, and now we have, if I let it dry, we have a tuck spot on this side. Now again, if our rings are here, we can still slip something through the back like here. Hopefully the rings will kind of hold it in place as well, whatever we want to tuck in there. Okay, so we've got this happening. Somehow it feels like I put it a little off, but that's okay. And then I'm thinking, what did I have here to add? Give me a minute here. Okay, so recently in the shop, I have added a Christmas freebie, like ephemera freebies. And these are 2 pieces from that freebie. So I thought it would be great, and follow me with this. I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm just going to make a couple of little pockets, and you'll see why in a minute. And I'm really, really, really enjoying this, you guys. I can't wait to show you more projects that I've been making. And hopefully you're enjoying this as well. Let me know. Leave a comment below if this is giving you some ideas. Of course, everything I'm showing you right now, you can make it in a vintage theme. I'm just showing you the Christmas themed version because that's what I wanted to do right now. But you can totally just grab your pages and make this exactly the same way I'm showing you, but make it in a vintage theme if you wanted, or whatever, you know, theme you want to make yours. That's what I love about these reference ideas journals, is that you can just make them your own, use your scraps, use your stash, and it works out really, really well. So I was cutting up a bunch of things and I put them aside here. So let me just go through what I was trying to grab here. All right, so we've added one here and one here. And the reason for that is if we tuck something in on the bottom pocket, that holds down our flap, as you can see. So this will hold down our flap. And then I should have something else. Maybe I'll add a little... This is just to show you the pocket itself, not necessarily that it's going to stay where it is or whatever I'm adding. And then you've got the other little pocket there. Okay, so we've got a pocket, and then you open this up, and then you also will have another pocket here. And don't forget the large pocket that we have on the side. Okay, Plus, as I said, we've got this one. So far we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pockets with just this one page alone. And this, of course, you know, you can add different goodies to your pocket, and that will hold down your little flap. Okay, so again, I'll come back and decorate these in a little bit. I don't want to make the videos too long, but I wanted to show you how quickly we can put these together. All right, so we are going to flip it now. So this would be the other side of the page. And I prepared, my friends. I prepared this time to do these with you. All right, so here we have half of 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. I'm folding it so I can have, well, this design, as you can see, it's a specific way, but if you fold it in the right way, it looks proper on the front. So what we're doing here is folding it just enough to give you like a tuck. And then what I'm going to do with this flap, you could make it an envelope if you wanted to leave it open. But what I want to do is glue it down so that it kind of finishes off my little, I don't have a white spot basically, right? And anything I'm showing you guys, if I have supplies, I can link below. I will do that for you because I know sometimes you like to, you know, to have some ideas of my favorite supplies and things that I like to buy, that sort of thing. I will link that below. Now I'm basically going to be gluing the two sides to make it a little pocket. And as I mentioned, this does not have to be Christmas themed, the one you're making. You can use any papers you want. All right, so now you can see here we have this pocket. And then the way we're going to add this down is we're just going to glue it on two sides. This is a super easy peasy project, my friends. And by the way, thank you so much, those of you supporting the shop. You know, even donations or buying me a coffee is so wonderful. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you for watching the videos, liking the videos, commenting on the videos. All that really helps the channel as well. And now we've got this additional pocket or belly band in the back, and then you have a pocket in the front. Now, in order to maybe add another layer to this, I thought, and this again is one of the pieces from the free ephemera that I have in the shop right now, which I will link below. I thought I would add this sort of in the center as well. And then this little piece now becomes another little place where you could tuck something in. So as you can see with this one page alone that we are making, I think that's centered. I think it is. We have many more spaces to tuck things into, and now I have to find a little one for there. Could go right through. Where do I have anything else? I'll just do that so you can see. So that would obviously go right through because it's the belly band to the pocket. So you guys, what do you think? I hope you like this, you know, page that we just did. So again, super easy to do. Make it your own with whatever papers you're using. We'll embellish and decorate a little later, but I think if you want to get started on your December daily as well, this would probably be a great way to do it, because you can start making the pages now. You know, maybe add pockets or tuck spots that you want, like we're doing. And then, you know, you can journal in there or just add photos or ephemera or whatever you like. So I hope you liked the video, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. As I said, I will come back and show you, you know, the more vintagey version. But I love how it's coming out already. The first Christmas page. I'm so excited, you guys. Don't forget to like, as I said, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of the series. And I will be back very soon with some more projects. Oh, by the way, if you want to have an extra entry to the giveaways, I always say leave a comment in the videos for that month, and then you'll have additional entries. And as well, I forgot to mention, for anyone that is not on social media, because I know a lot of you are not, that's why I leave the option to send me some mail and just let me know you want to enter the giveaway. And that's why I leave the giveaways for for about a month, so that you're able to send something in if you want to, just, you know, your name, your email, all that information. And this way I know that I'll enter you as well, so you get a chance to win something. Anyways, thank you so much, my friends. I will see you very soon. Thanks so much for stopping by.